Hi, wanna know how to set up Face Unlock on your Vivo X100 Pro? So, first important condition is that you need to have any type of lock screen on your phone. It can be pattern, password, or a PIN code, and only after this we can start. So, as a first step, open Settings and scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Security. Click on it and here go to this tab which is named Device Security, and here tap to set up Face Unlock on this tab which is named Face. And now we would need to enter our current PIN code to continue. Here you would be able to read all of the information about the Face Unlock and also how your data is protected. And now if we will click on this blue button Start, here we would need to also agree to some privacy statement by clicking I have read and agree. And after this we would need to put our face in this circle that you can see on the screen and a little bit rotate our hand to the right or to the left side until this percentage will reach 100. So I'll scan my face and I'll be right back. After you have completed a successful scan of your face, you'll get to this page with some settings for the face scan unlock. So for example, here I would like to disable this feature which is named Stay on Lock Screen after unlocking, which means when your phone will recognize you, you will need to still swipe up to enter your phone. So I'll disable this feature and now let's finally test it. So I'll take my phone and now aim it on my face. And you can see that my phone has been immediately unlocked. But if I will do it the same thing but with hiding my face, you can see that the phone is keeping being unlocked. And now if I will try to put it on my face, you can see the immediate unlock. And this is it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.